Lincoln has revealed the 2027 Corsair Hybrid, featuring revised front and rear styling and a new standard hybrid powertrain. The compact luxury SUV will also be imported from Chongqing, China. Every 2027 Corsair uses a turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with 2 electric motors, a continuously variable automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. The system produces a combined 305 horsepower, while the plug-in hybrid setup from 2026 has been replaced by a traditional hybrid system. Inside, the Corsair retains its 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and 13.2-inch infotainment screen, while gaining a new one-piece seat design and stellar sun interior theme. All models also include Ford's BlueCruise hands-free driver assistance technology.